To activate your T-Mobile 5G hotspot, follow these 3 essential steps: SIM card setup, APN configuration, and establishing the first connection. First, insert a physical nano SIM or download an eSIM through the T-Mobile app or website. Make sure it's compatible with 5G bands N41, N71, and N260. Next, configure the APN, which serves as the gateway to the internet. The default APN is fast.tmobile.com or Internet for older devices. Access these settings through the Hotspots menu or the T-Mobile app. Finally, connect the hotspot to power and use the T-Mobile app or web portal to verify your service. Register the IMEI, choose a data plan, and perform a speed test. For optimal performance, ensure you're in a 5G coverage area. If your T-Mobile 5G hotspot isn't connecting, double-check your SIM card is properly inserted and activated, or the eSIM is correctly downloaded. Ensure the APN settings are accurately entered as fast.tmobile.com or Internet. Verify that your device is in an area with strong 5G coverage. Use the T-Mobile app to monitor data usage and manage your plan. In urban areas with network congestion, you may experience speed throttling. Consider adjusting the hotspot's location for a better signal. Many newer hotspots offer built-in VPN options for enhanced security. Enable this through the device settings or T-Mobile app. Keep the device firmware updated to benefit from the latest optimizations and security patches. Activation times should be under 5 minutes via the app. If it takes longer, contact T-Mobile support.